Galaxy Note May 9th be eclipsed by what Samsung is launching next. Samsung's Galaxy Note May 9th soon be replaced by something new, and this leak gives fans their best look yet it might be to come. The Galaxy Note 9 might be the best phablet you can buy right now, but it could soon be replaced by something a whole lot better. Samsung is fully expected to refresh its Note series with the launch of its next device thought to be coming soon. The Korean firm usually brings this phone to market in the summer, and that means there might not be too long to wait until we find out what's arriving next. With a reveal getting closer by the day, the leaks and rumors continue to flood the web, with numerous reports suggesting this device will get a new design, improved performance, and much bigger battery. Now a brand new leak has appeared online, and it may give Note fans their best look yet at what Samsung has in store. Posted on Twitter by Ben Giskin, the image claims to reveal both the front and back of the Note 10. From the front, you can clearly see a fully edge-to-edge screen which curves around both sides of the device. With no bezels or notch in sight, Samsung may have decided to follow the S10's design with a camera that's punched through the screen. Spin the Note 10 around and there's also some big changes to the rear case. Firstly, this phone appears to be getting a triple rear camera which may bring improved zoom and wide-angle shots to users. Then there's the new layout, with the three lenses being moved to one side and being stacked on top of one another rather than being placed in a horizontal strip. It's unclear why Samsung might be considering this switch, but hopefully, we'll find out more when the device is unveiled later this year. One more thing you might notice is the disappearance of the fingerprint scanner from the back panel. It looks almost certain that Samsung will embed this sensor under the screen, which is technology that it is already using in the Galaxy S10. One final thing to note is that Giskin has posted two images on his Twitter account which claim to show two variants of the Note 10. One features a single front-facing camera whilst the other gets a dual lens. This could match other rumors which are suggesting Samsung is set to launch a cheaper Note 10 alongside a more expensive flagship model. The lower cost option could include a smaller battery and less powerful specs, but we'll have to wait and see if this becomes a reality. There's no official confirmation from Samsung about the Note 10, but expect more news to be revealed in the coming weeks.